Hello, sister.
Me.
Today I want to give my sisters a dress. It's made of linen. It will be a round neck. I attach the part, then I put the button down here. Or I'll just paint the neck. And this shirt is an undershirt. And this line is a big break, and you get the vertical one. So now we're going to go into the design part. Hey! With this shirt, it will have a button part. So here I'm going to break this part into two parts. I want to break this part 2 times. Then when you to break twice like this, well, the nail on our button is thick enough. I don't need to glue anymore. And then after I drew 2 inches, then I'll have a layer of paper underneath. This layer of paper in the mountain below is used to draw the body. The lower wire in part compared to the front body. After we've done it. So we're going to start going into the design. As a first step, we'll draw a line. This way I will do the level. Let me draw the long part. From here my sisters measure up. I'll get a thick shirt. Because this shirt is on the hip, so I'm going to go from 50 to 52 cubic meters. I'll take the year 50 to here. For the high meters year, 6 meters or 7 meters or 8 meters, you will, according to the length, it's at the top of the hip. And then we build a perpendicular line across it. Then I'll take the shoulder piece. Shoulder to shoulder. Dividing by 2 is equal to 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then when we break the crease in, you split it up. These 2 points. I took it from the point. If you do that, you will be 16. Here. Then it's down to 4. I will divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. And then I'll take it down to the lower chest. That's equal to breasts divided by 5. You add 1 because this shirt is close to the armpits. My chest is 80. If we divide by 5 plus 1, we get 17. The number is 17. Now I'm building a perpendicular line across. And then you're going to take down the chest. Chest horizontal is chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I'll take 22 from here. Later, you'll get the underarm. I'm going to take the lower waist here, which is 35. I built a perpendicular line across, and then we'll have a waistline. Divided by 4 plus 2. Divide by 4 plus 2 and you get 18. It is 18, huh? And then I'll get the part. Ass is ass. Dividing by 4 plus 2 is equal to 80 divided by 4 plus 2. Then I'll take 22. Then I'll paint the part. Rib. And this shirt is going to be shirt 2, so I'm only up here with a millimeter of gas. And then after you've done it, I've built this perpendicular line. I'll back up and split it in 2. Let's split it in half again. Then I'll draw the ring. And then I'm going to put in, well, this Ben's road is 8 inches. You'll tell me straight down the line. And we're going to draw the vertical bend here. And this part of the armpit, you will give me a piece, Ben. Let me reduce the part. The chest wearing it is not open. Then with this shirt we will sew the calf. Or you'll cut a bag. Round neck, then we will hurry. Sew the lotus leaf and we put the button below. Let it be easy. I'll show you the round neck model. Then you will sew the lotus envelope. Stand here. Then I'll install the button. It'll automatically get to the potty part. Shirt like picture Asia. And then after we've done the body part, before that, pay attention to yourself. That's the horizontal. You will replace this one with another. If your shoulders are 40, you will 40 be divided by 2, come in here, or your neck is 30. I'm 30, but 5 or 80. But 5 or 8, you will change in here. By other numbers according to your measurements. For example, if you have a bust size of 80, but the chest you get 80 divided by 5, you'll get 100 here. And this is the chest. The chest divided by 4 is 80. These two breasts are the same, you can change them. For example, if your waist is 70, you can change it here. Sisters. Even if it is 100, you can change it here. And then I'm going to go up to this shoulder. The shoulders of the back are 2 inches. Then I'll draw the side of the mile. I can draw the underarm voice. Then you can come down here and give me an inch. Well, this ancient part, we're going to redraw and it's going to cut. This sidewalk is to petrol. We will get the part. The front and back are like this. Then you will cut it for me. And then we'll cut the back. Based on your previous body, the body behind me has just finished. Your body will also later. Take it back. Give me the waist. Then I split it in 2. Then I also split in 2. And I can also draw the vertical part here. We can also draw the vertical side here. Sisters. This will be the body after the Cho sisters. One, and I'll be a double cloth here. I will also be a double here. You see, And this is where I get the body first. Your body here, you will. Candy cut for the neck. The shoulder. The underarm. Then we'll get our front body. And the back here, you know. Please note that I will reduce. This is a gasoline. Meter I'm going to drop in a centimeter here. And its back body will not have the chest. So I'm going to drop a millimeter compared to the previous body. You will be lucky to have 2 bodies. Oh, and here. I'll draw the old part. My stock here is 10 petrol. And I'm going to measure this angle for the neck. This is 11. You'll be able to draw the collar. I'll also draw the collar here. You will cross a path for me. Then this horizontal line, she is equal to the neck before plus 10 plus 11 is equal to 21. Then you take it up here. Give me a piece. 7 gasoline. I connected through a road. And then we'll split up. Come on, to gas. You will be able to paint the curve of the neck. Then I'll take this neck. If you only need 6 cubic meters of gas, I will take 6 minus 6 gasoline by the way. This curve. Delete to follow this curve, huh? Then you pass by. And then we'll make it a circle. Here you have this line, it's a circle. When I cut, then I'll cut along the curve. You can cut the road. Once this is done, you will get the collar by the body. I have the neck part of the body here. Then you'll put the neck here. You may come in here. And the body later. I will also put it in. I will put it here and you will also sew it. Like this, when you're done here. Instead, we'll put a button at the top. You put down about 5 petrol. When the shirt that we wear, we're lucky to get in like this. Then we break the part. What you see is the bob. It's going to lie like a calf. We put the button down to 5 then petrol. We're going to be like the picture. So I just shared. Give my sisters this model. I wish my sisters success. Thank you and see you later.